Hey everyone, imagine this. You're cruising down the road, and suddenly, your car stops shifting gears or even refuses to move. You plug in an OBD-II scanner and the code P0881 transmission relay sense circuit issue pops up. This means your transmission control relay circuit is malfunctioning, which can lead to serious shifting problems. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you where the related components are located, the common causes, and how to fix this problem step by step. Let's get started. DTC P0881 indicates an issue with the transmission relay sense circuit, which is responsible for supplying power to the transmission control module, or TCM. If the TCM isn't getting the proper voltage signal, your transmission might stop working altogether. If your car has this code, you may experience car stuck in limp mode, only second or third gear works, delayed or harsh shifting, no response from the transmission, check engine light on, and transmission warning light on. Transmission control module, usually found in the engine bay near the battery or fuse box. In some models, it's inside the transmission housing, requiring removal of the transmission pan for access. Transmission control relay, found in the fuse box under the hood near the battery. Some cars have it inside the dashboard fuse panel. Wiring and power circuits. Wires run from the battery to the fuse box, then to the TCM and transmission solenoids. Look for damaged or corroded wires in this circuit. Refer to your car's repair manual for exact details. Here are the most common causes. Faulty transmission control relay, stuck or failing relay. Blown fuse in the transmission power circuit. Broken or corroded wiring to the TCM. Bad ground connection for the TCM. Or a faulty transmission control module itself. Step 1. Check the transmission relay. Swap it with a similar relay to see if the issue is fixed. Step 2. Inspect all transmission-related fuses. If blown, replace them. Step 3. Look for damaged wiring. Check for corrosion, broken wires or loose connectors leading to the TCM. Step 4. Test the battery voltage and ground connections. Ensure proper power is reaching the TCM. Step 5. If everything checks out, consider replacing the TCM. Step 6. Clear the code using an OBD-II scanner and take a test drive. Ignoring P0881 can lead to serious transmission issues, leaving you stuck in limp mode. If your car isn't shifting properly, check the relay, fuses, and wiring ASAP. For more OBD-II error codes and fixes, watch these videos next. P0628, fuel pump control circuit low. P0629, fuel pump control circuit high. This is IG Garage, helping you fix your car like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.